In this secure notebook we have implemented hardware protection features. So nobody can spy on you through this camera, audio, microphone or USB. So we enable these peripheral devices using this remote token only. And this notebook also runs live operation system based on Linux. So this operation system is installed on their SSD with hardware protection. These SSDs are used in industrial area and you can't store any kind of file on this SSD. So now if you want to enable the camera and all other peripheral devices of the laptop, you have to switch this token, this remote key, into position on. So now we're waiting for the green light, permanent now, and we can switch on the camera. Yes, so we see the picture. Hello. So now camera is working, audio is working, USB is working. But if you don't need this camera, we are cutting the circuit. Now we are cutting the circuit from the camera using this remote radio key. So now camera isn't working and this secure notebook has resistance from remote hacking. So nobody can enable this camera. No hacker in the world, and even in the next future it's also impossible to recover any session from this notebook. You can cross any kind of border with this notebook because it has no encryption, no VPN pre-installed and no forbidden programs. You can use all programs you need with web access. Also the Wi-Fi is safe enough with pre-installed firewall, and MAC address is changing all the time while you connecting to the new network. So I suggest you buy this laptop and be secure. Bye bye.